Hi everyone, this is Jeremic85 here, and today I'll be replacing this airbag here. I have a Ride Control airlift kit number 59501, and it's made by Airlift, airliftcompany.com. The problem with this bag is, you can see it, there's not enough air in there, and if I try to pump it up, air comes out somewhere on the side. That's because I was riding around with the air bag on, not having enough air in there, and that's when it's starting to break. If the rubber is getting squeezed too bad, that's when these things start to break. That's why I got this new air spring here for about 75 bucks, includes shipping. I got it online from Amazon, and for my kit it will be this part number. If you have to replace yours too, check on the website airliftcompany.com for the new bag. Comes with installing hardware and connectors. So first thing I got to do now is taking out the old airbag. Therefore, I'm disconnecting the airline up here. You got to push it in, and then you can pull out the airline here. I'm placing a jack between the frame of the truck and the leaf spring here to give a little bit more to be able to take out the airbag here. So you see how I put the jack on? It sits on the axle or over the axle on the leaf springs, and now I'm starting to press apart the frame from the leaf spring a little bit to get out the airbag. That should be enough to get out the old airbag. First thing I'm going to do is loosen up the nut here. A little oil might help to get loose this nut. Now here you can see the airbag from underneath the truck bed, and it's bolted to this bracket from the underside. So I'm going to use this wrench. Go in there. It's a 19mm bolt. Trying to unbolt it. Now that it's loose, I can put the wrench on the bolt and then just spin the back by hand. So now I got the airbag loose from the bottom. Now I can take it up. And here I can see the small hole. That's why I need to replace it. This is the bolt on the bottom that I was able to loosen up with this 19mm wrench. I'm going to leave that bolt right in there and reuse it for the new airbag. So here we got the new airbag. So I'm going to put in the new airbag the reverse way I took out the old one. I'm leaving the bolt in here. Pressing it together a little bit. Put it through the hole on the top. And then down here, this bolt has to go into the hole. With the 19mm wrench still attached to the bolt from the bottom, I'm going to spin the back and screwing it on the bolt on the bottom. Now I'm attaching the top to this bracket with the provided nut. It's actually a PVC nut. I don't know why, but if that's how it works, I'm gonna do it. Take my big adjustable wrench to tighten it up a little bit, not too much since it's PVC. Just check by hand if it sits good. Alright. Now I'm putting in the provided air connector for the airline. It has some Teflon tape on it and it's made of metal, not of plastic like the old one. I like that. So I'm going to put that in. Make sure you don't get dirt and dust in there. That should be enough. A little bit of the Teflon tape came off, but I think it sits nice and tight, and it's sealed up. Now I'm going to put in the air hose. Just stick it in and that's it. Before you pump it up, make sure it sits nice and straight with as less wrinkles as possible. And then before you drive, make sure you inflate it until it's without any wrinkles. So here you see the new airbag installed. Make sure all bolts are nice and tight, and also the airline. I thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helps you out. If so, please press like or feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like to. Thanks a lot for checking out my video. This is Ceramic85 signing out.